Here's what you need to know about what is Snmp. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, is the standard protocol for monitoring and managing network devices. It lets network management systems collect data from routers, switches, servers, and printers using a simple request-response model. SNMP is essential for any network operations team tracking device health and performance. Key concept: manager and agent model. SNMP uses two roles: the manager, the monitoring system, and the agent, software running on each device. The manager polls agents for data, and agents can also send alerts called traps. Key concept: management information base. The MIB is a database that defines what data each device can report. Every metric, CPU load, interface status, error counts, has a unique OID, object identifier, in the MIB. Key concept: SNMP traps and polling. Polling means the manager asks the device for data on a schedule. Traps are unsolicited alerts sent by the agent when something important happens, like a link going down. Key concept: SNMP versions and security. SNMP v1 and v2c use community strings as weak passwords, avoid in production. SNMP v3 adds encryption and authentication, making it the secure choice for modern networks. Let's look at the full breakdown. SNMP v1, released 1988. Community string auth only, no encryption, avoid. SNMP v2c, improved performance, still uses community strings, supports bulk data retrieval. SNMP v3 adds user authentication, adds AES-DES encryption required for secure environments. Here's a real-world example. A network admin uses PRTG Network Monitor to poll 200 switches every 60 seconds via SNMP. Each switch runs an SNMP agent that responds with interface utilization, error counts, and CPU load. When a switch CPU hits 95%, the agent sends an SNMP trap to the manager immediately. The admin gets an alert before any users notice slowdowns. Quick recap before you go. 1. SNMP is the standard protocol for monitoring and managing network devices. 2. Uses a manager-agent model. Manager polls, agents respond or send traps. 3. The MIB defines all available metrics using unique OID numbers. 4. SNMP v1 and v2c use insecure community strings. SNMP v3 uses encryption. 5. SNMP uses UDP port 161 for polling and UDP port 162 for traps. That's what is SNMP. Covered. Exam tip: know the 3 SNMP ports and versions. UDP 161 for SNMP polling, UDP 162 for SNMP traps, and SNMP v3 for security. The exam often asks which version adds encryption. The answer is always SNMP v3. Next up, what is syslog? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.